Liz Yuille from Old Stables Craft, doing one of those strange things called straight to camera. So why am I doing this? A couple of updates, really. I have put these on my VIP page. I have put them on my team page, and I will be putting them in my newsletter, which I hope will be going out today as well. I've got quite a lot on today, so fingers crossed, but I just wanted to make sure that this got out there. So we have overnight been advised that the Cake Builder Punch is about to go into not even back order, but it's going to be turned off as being orderable, which means that the bundle is also going to be turned off as being orderable. So if you want this or this, please, 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 if you don't want to wait, could you please get those orders in now? They will be coming back. They will be coming back probably the back end of March. So they will be coming back. Whether they're going to be in stock in time to then order during celebration, I don't know. And as they are, as a bundle, £29.50, you are quite a long way to a celebration item if you order those, so do be aware. The other item that unfortunately is also going to be in the same situation is the Butterfly Duet Punch. So again, the bundle. And that is a £33.25 order or item bundle. So again, very close to getting a celebration item. The issue is that they are manufactured in China and we're about to hit Chinese New Year. They have been incredibly popular, probably because they are close to celebration item amounts. But with this Chinese New Year coming, to get new stock is going to take a while, hence the back end of March if we're lucky. The good news, if you can wait that long, is that they are going to carry over into the annual catalogue. So they will be then there for another year. But they won't be a bundle in the annual catalogue. Anything that carries over never is a bundle. So if you want it during celebration, I would urge you to place an order over on my online store, link below, ASAP, and then hopefully you won't miss out. But we have just had that warning. The other thing I want to just remind you about that is no longer available and will not be coming back in is the Organdy Ribbon from Celebration. I'm afraid that has now gone. So all three of those items were just so popular that it's just taken the whole supply chain by surprise, and celebration items are while stocks last, so you know. But the good news on celebration is that come the middle of February, we will be getting the second release. There's normally half a dozen items, that sort of thing. So there will be some new things coming, but if there's anything in celebration that you are thinking, shall I, shan't I strongly urge you to place that order sooner rather than later so that you can guarantee you're going to get it. And particularly if you want the Cake Builder Punch and or the Butterfly Duet Punch, please, please, please hop over to my online store now and get those in your basket and check them out, because I don't know how long they're going to survive. So thank you very much. That's all I wanted to say. This will be a very short blog post, and I'll hopefully link my newsletter, etc. And YouTube video, etc., etc. So thank you very much indeed. I have got another face-to-face-on video planned for Sunday, so do join me for that. That is going to be a special topic. So yes, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.